Welcome everyone! Today, we dive into the scenic beauty of a hidden gem, El Salvador. Nestled in the heart of Central America, El Salvador is a vibrant country that boasts a rich cultural heritage and diverse landscapes. From the Pacific coastline with its black sand beaches to the mountainous interior, this country is a treasure trove for nature and culture enthusiasts alike. El Salvador, despite being the smallest country in Central America, is home to a diverse range of ecosystems, including tropical rainforests, mangrove forests, and cloud-covered mountains. Its cultural heritage, influenced by Mayan, Pipil, and Spanish traditions, is equally diverse and fascinating. From its Mayan ruins to its colonial towns, El Salvador's history is as captivating as its natural beauty. This country, often overlooked on the tourist map, is a haven for those seeking unique experiences and untouched beauty. So, buckle up as we journey through some of the most stunning landscapes El Salvador has to offer. Our first stop is the breathtaking Catek Lake. This azure gem, nestled in the heart of El Salvador, is not your ordinary body of water. Born out of a volcanic eruption around 72,000 years ago, Catek Lake is a caldera, or large volcanic crater, filled with water over time. This origin story might sound violent, but the result is a place of serene beauty that's hard to match. Catek Lake is an embodiment of tranquility, with its calm, crystal-clear water that varies in shades of blue and green. This variation in color is not a trick of the light or a change in depth, but a unique phenomenon caused by the lake's volcanic minerals and algae. The resulting vibrant turquoise hue is a sight to behold, making Catek Lake a photographer's paradise. But it's not just about looking at the lake, it's about experiencing it. Catek Lake offers an array of activities for visitors to immerse themselves in this natural wonder. Fancy a boat ride? You can glide effortlessly across the surface of the water, taking in the panoramic views of the surrounding hills and forests. For the more adventurous, water sports such as jet skiing and kayaking are available, offering a thrilling way to explore the lake's expanse. Along the lake's shoreline, you'll find a variety of eateries serving up local cuisine. You can enjoy a meal while watching the sun set over the water, the colors of the sky reflecting off the lake's surface in a mesmerizing display. And if you're lucky, you might even spot some of the local wildlife, including a variety of bird species that call this area home. Catek Lake is more than just a lake. It's a testament to the power of nature, to the beauty that can emerge from chaos. It's a place where you can find peace and adventure, where you can connect with the natural world in a profound way. Isn't it amazing how a volcanic eruption thousands of years ago has resulted in such a serene and beautiful location? Next, we venture through the vibrant Ruta de las Flores. This delightful journey is a picturesque 70-kilometer stretch that meanders through quaint towns, each boasting their own unique charm. It's named after the abundance of flowers that bloom along the route, particularly between November and February. Imagine a riot of colors painting the landscape, with flowers of every hue and variety. As we traverse this breathtaking path, we encounter a series of small towns, each with its own distinct character. From the bustling art scene in Izalco, where you can marvel at the colorful murals adorning the buildings, to the lively food markets in Huayua, there's a special experience waiting to be discovered at every turn. The indigenous art here is truly a sight to behold. Artisans pour their heart and soul into their craft, producing a diverse range of products. From hand-woven textiles, pottery, and paintings, to more unconventional mediums like seeds and corn husks, the creativity on display is astounding. These items not only make for great souvenirs, but also offer a tangible connection to the rich cultural heritage of the region. And let's not forget the local cuisine. Each town along the Ruta de las Flores boasts a variety of culinary delights that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. From the traditional pupusas, a type of stuffed corn tortilla, to the more exotic iguana soup, there's a gastronomical adventure awaiting every foodie. The Ruta de las Flores is not just a road, it's a journey into the heart of El Salvador's culture and heritage. It's a chance to slow down, to appreciate the simple pleasures of life. A fragrant cup of locally grown coffee, the sight of a hummingbird flitting among the flowers, the sound of a waterfall in the distance. Imagine strolling through the streets, the air filled with the scent of blossoming flowers and freshly brewed coffee. That's the magic of the Ruta de las Flores, a sensory experience that's bound to leave you with lasting memories. From the floral route, we head to the famous El Tunco beach. Now, this isn't your typical white sand, palm-lined beach. No, El Tunco is something special. It's a black sand beach, its dark grains a result of volcanic ash, a stark reminder of El Salvador's fiery geological past. It's a site that is as unique as it is mesmerizing, but it's not just the sand that sets El Tunco apart. This is a place that lives and breathes surfing. The beach is a haven for wave riders, from seasoned pros to eager beginners. It's a place where the rhythm of the day is dictated by the ebb and flow of the tides, and where the phrase catching a wave isn't just a saying, but a way of life. And what waves they are! The Pacific Ocean serves up some of its best here, with perfect barrels and long rides that have made El Tunco a must-visit on the international surf circuit. It's a beach that's as much about the action on the water as it is about the beauty of the surroundings, and then there are the sunsets. Oh, the sunsets. As the day gives way to night, the sky over El Tunco puts on a show of colors that would make an artist weep. It's the perfect backdrop to the silhouette of the beach's namesake, a distinctive rock formation that, according to local legend, resembles a pig, or Tunco in Spanish. But the day doesn't end when the sun goes down. El Tunco is famed for its vibrant night scene, a mix of laid-back beach bars, lively music venues, and bustling local eateries. It's a place where you can share stories of the day's best rides over a cold beer, or a freshly grilled pupusa, the delicious local specialty. With its perfect waves and stunning sunsets, El Tunco Beach truly is a surfer's paradise. So whether you're a seasoned surfer, a beach lover, or just someone who appreciates a good sunset, El Tunco is a place that's sure to leave an indelible mark on your soul. And finally, we step back in time at the Tuzumal Mayan ruins. This captivating archaeological site, nestled in the heart of El Salvador, offers us a window into an ancient world that thrived thousands of years ago. The Tuzumal Mayan ruins are a testament to the architectural prowess of the Mayan civilization. The most prominent structure at the site is a step pyramid that reaches a height of over 23 meters, making it one of the tallest structures of its kind in El Salvador. This pyramid, like many structures at Tuzumal, showcases the intricate stone masonry and innovative building techniques of the Mayan people. But the ruins aren't just an architectural marvel. They are also a treasure trove of historical significance. The artifacts unearthed here, ranging from pottery to jewelry, provide invaluable insights into the everyday lives of the Mayans. Each artifact, each structure tells a unique story about this ancient civilization's customs, beliefs, and way of life. The Mayan culture is as intriguing as it is complex. Known for their advanced knowledge in various fields such as astronomy, mathematics, and agriculture, the Mayans were far ahead of their time. Their complex hieroglyphic writing system, their precise calendar, and their elaborate religious rituals are just some of the many facets of the Mayan culture that continue to fascinate scholars and visitors alike. The Tuzumal Mayan ruins are more than just remnants of stone and earth. They are a living testament to a civilization that once was. They are a reminder of the ingenuity, the resilience, and the spirit of the Mayan people. As you walk through the ruins, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient chants, the whispers of old stories, and the silent hum of a vibrant culture that has withstood the test of time. Exploring the Tuzumal Mayan ruins, we get a glimpse into the rich history and the fascinating culture of the Mayan civilization. So come, take a step back in time, and embark on a journey of discovery and wonder at the Tuzumal Mayan ruins. That brings us to the end of our journey through El Salvador, a country of stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and rich history. We've marveled at the tranquil beauty of Catek Lake, wandered through the colorful towns along the Ruta de las Flores, surfed the waves at El Tunco Beach, and stepped back in time at the Tuzumal Mayan ruins. Each destination revealed its own unique charm, offering us a glimpse into the heart and soul of this fascinating country. Our journey may have come to an end, but the memories and experiences we've gathered will undoubtedly fuel our wanderlust and keep us yearning for more. There's a whole world out there waiting to be discovered, filled with equally captivating and diverse landscapes. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which part of the world should we explore next? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us discover more amazing places. Until next time, keep exploring.